Hey crypto fans, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to give you my realistic long-term price prediction for Enjin's ENJ tokens. So guys, if you're new to the channel and you enjoy the content that I create, then go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out and why not, right? And also guys, feel free to follow me here on Twitter as well. I like to talk about altcoins and day trading and stuff like that on a daily basis. So if you guys are into that sort of thing, you might as well go ahead and give me a follow because I'm only going to be here for the long term and I'm going to continue to grow for the long term as well. So guys, we're going to look into see what a potential good price prediction would be for the long term for Enjin. So the way that I do things here is I do things a lot differently than most people. I do things based on market cap levels, and I've been doing it for about 5 years now. And hey, I'm not in the red on anything. So I mean, there's multiple different ways to do different things in crypto, and this is my way of doing things, and it's been working out great for me for the longest time, you guys. So we're going to see what a good long-term price prediction would be for Enjin. So guys, as we can see, Enjin is currently ranked number 70 on CoinMarketCap, and it's got a lot of people on its watch list. It's a very, very popular project. It's recently taken off by storm lately as far as popularity is concerned. It's currently trading for $1.49 right now at the time of me filming this, and it's currently up 7% as well. So it's up a little bit. It's got a market cap of 1.3 billion and a max supply of 1 billion tokens, and 87% of those are currently in circulation as well. So let's see how far back this goes, you guys. So price data for Enjin goes back all the way until 2017. So this is a real OG project. And it is definitely it's definitely been taken off like crazy lately. I mean, as we can see here, back in late 2017, early 2018, back when Bitcoin went to $20,000 for the very first time, we can see that it had its first major really big spike. But as we can see here, you guys, bet here in 2020 and 2021, it has definitely started to take off like crazy, which is a very good thing. That's very solid. So definitely this is one of those projects that can definitely take on a lot more, and definitely will probably be rising a lot more in the long term as well, you guys. So what is the all-time high though? So the current all-time high for Enjin is currently sitting at $4.85, and that happened at the end of November of 2021. So let me just be honest here, you guys. It's going to go a lot higher than that for sure. I mean, obviously, I'm no magician. I'm not a magician. I can't see the future. But realistically, you guys, as more money flows into these markets, all of these good coins like this are going to take off more and more from where they're at. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. So let's see where this coin could potentially go in the long term. So I want to see what the market cap was around the time that it hit this level of $4.85. So we're going to take $4.85, and obviously, since we don't know what the circulating supply was, 4 months ago when it hit that price point, we're just going to go ahead and use the circulating supply right now just to make things easier. So we'll take this and we'll multiply it by 870,624. Whoops, I forgot the zero. 624,705. And we got a market cap of roughly around $4 billion, you guys, which is very, very small, okay? This is a very solid project. This is something that's definitely going to take off long term. I see no reason why this project can't reach heights of at least minimum, you guys. I'm talking minimum here, and this is a very conservative minimum here. I see no reason why it can't reach levels of at least $12 billion in the long term, you guys. I mean, no problem whatsoever. Especially with all the stuff they've got working for them right now. Definitely no problem, $12 billion at some point in the long-term future. When I'm talking long-term here, you guys, I'm not talking 6 to 12 months either. I'm talking, 3 years, 5 years, hell, maybe even 7 years, to be honest with you. We just don't know. But realistically, this is definitely one of those projects that can do that well in the long term. So we're going to see what the price could potentially be if it reached market cap levels of $12 billion. So what we're going to do here is obviously, we're going to use, obviously when that happens, you guys, when, let's say it's 5 years from now, hypothetically, and it goes that high, obviously the circulating supply isn't going to be where it's at right now. So the number I'm going to use for circulating supply here is actually going to be 900 million. Reason why I'm using 900 million is because it's an easy, flat number to use. It's easy to use for calculating and whatnot. So it's just simple. It makes things simple. So we'll use 900 million tokens. And we're going to start multiplying it by numbers until we get to roughly a market cap level of $12 billion. Now, obviously, guys, we can all do math. Obviously. So realistically here, you guys, when we take 9 and we multiply it by, obviously if we take 9 and multiply it by the all-time high of, $4.85, we'll just round it off to $5. If we take 9 times 5, that's going to be 45, so it's going to be roughly a market cap of, obviously $4.5 billion, I think, something like that. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Let me check real quick. Multiply that by $5. Yeah, $4.5 billion, exactly what I thought. So definitely we can go a lot higher than that. So let's check this out. So we'll take 900 million tokens and we will go ahead and multiply it by, obviously $10 would be, 10 times 9 is 90, so that'd be roughly a $9 billion market cap. So we're maybe $40, somewhere around there. So we'll try 35 real quick. So $35. We're going to come out with market cap of, okay, I'm way off here. I need to quit getting ahead of myself. I'm way off here. All right, so definitely not $35. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. All right, so we'll take 900 million here. We're going to go ahead and multiply by $10, okay? And we come out to a market cap of $9 billion. So we're still $3 billion short of where I think it could go. So we'll try $12. So 12 times 900 million. And guys, we come out with a market cap of 10.8 billion, so we'll try $15 next. 15 times 900, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13.5. Okay, not that high. We'll try $13. 13 times 900 billion, or million, sorry. And 11.7 billion. I think this is the closest we're going to get without having to get into decimal points. So for the long-term price prediction, my long-term price prediction for Engine Coin, you guys, is going to be $13, okay? Now, when I buy into a long-term position, I usually start out with $10,000 if the funds are available. And so we want to see what a potential return on our investment would be if we were to invest in it today and hold on to it until it reached $13. All right. So if we were to buy today, right now, this moment in time, we would get, let's see, we divide it by $1.50. We're just going to do $1.50 because it's easier to work with. We would come out with that's a scary number. We'll come out with 6,666 tokens. And guys, we're going to go ahead and multiply this by $13. We're going to come out with a $76,000, roughly a $76,000 return on our investment after taking our 10,000 out. So roughly $76,000, you guys, which is a very, very solid return on your investment for holding long term. I mean, you got to think, you guys, you're not having to trade, you're not having to do anything, you're just buying and holding long term. So realistically, you guys, to make that much money for that little bit of risk, that is a very good, solid return on your investment. So guys, for the sake of this video and my long-term price prediction, I'm going to go ahead with $13. And as you can see here, you guys, it's got some very good long-term price potential if it can reach market cap levels of at least $12 billion in the long run, which I see no reason why it can't. So, but guys, that pretty much does it for this video. So I'll go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, before you guys leave, don't forget to follow me on Twitter here with the link in the video description down below. And also, guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.